Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at $1,100. Now I'm not going to waste your time going through the specs. I already did that during the unboxing. And I'm not really going to talk about the phone too much because I already did that during the full review. Today we're just going to take a look at the colors and the official Apple cases. So let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. Now, as far as the box, it just shows the different colors. All right, so here's Sierra Blue. Here's the green. And speaking of different colors, we all seen the graphite. Okay, you've seen the gold, you've seen the silver, and of course, Sierra Blue. All right, so here we go. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What I got today? The Medford knife. Now, on the side note, shout out to my man Jake, who got me this as a gift. I'm thinking this is just a little regular unboxing knife. When somebody gives me a gift, I don't like to go online and check the price, but everybody was like, yo, that's a Medford knife. That's a Medford knife. So I had to look at the price. This shit costs like $500. Right? So shout out to Jake. You're the bro. This is pretty dope. Okay, now, let me, false knife alert. Don't even need this one. Got the pull tabs. One more. Here we go. Okay. Let's clear the scene. Alpine Green. Hashtag boss. Clear the scene for Alpine Green. Typical black box. Y'all know I like that. Giggity. Okay. Inside. Now, of course, you got your usual books and shit. Let's see. Do we got any Apple Troll stickers? Apple Troll sticker. SIM ejection tool. And your USB Type-C to Lightning adapter. No charge in the box. I don't like that. Shout out to Apple for starting that bullshit trend, and shout out to Samsung for jumping on their nuts and following them. I don't like that. I don't like that, but I'm not gonna rant. This is not one of those videos. Right. Here we go. Woo! Okay. Now, Samsung Knights, I'm gonna need y'all to stand down and stand by. This is all about the Apple Mafia today. Which, on a side note, shout out to all the Samsung Knights. Look, now I know about the Samsung Knights crime family, but usually we all partake in the Apple Mafia. You know, we do hits for the Apple Mafia on the side too. So we gotta appreciate this for what it is. Okay, this is sick. Let me do the smell test real quick. This one smells like schmutty. All right, this is that schmutty green, also known as Alpine Green, but I'm calling this the schmutty phone. One of the things that I love about iPhones, the stainless steel design. Like y'all heard in my last video, this is my favorite built phone. Okay, you see now, even with the blue, the color tones match on the stainless steel. Same thing with the gold. Same thing with the silver. All of the color tones match on the side. Which one y'all like best? Personally, I don't like the graphite one too much. These are the best colors. It is what it is. Now, I will say this. Now, I got to have the same gripe that I have with Samsung. Apple, if you're going to pull this color out, pull it out at release date. Because I know, speaking from myself, speaking from my point of view, when it's first launched, if I had a choice between Sierra Blue and green, I would have definitely went with green. And I'm sure there's a lot of y'all at home right now that got the blue one because you didn't want to look like a peasant from last year. So you was forced to get the blue. This was the only new color. You would have got green. All right, so Apple, I don't like that move of pulling out a dope color mid-season. All right, that's kind of corny, but it is what it is. All right, so these are the two non-peasant phones right here. And for a size comparison, here's a regular iPhone 13. Okay. And here's the mini. I never sold this one because I actually do like it. Now, I know somebody's going to ask, what about the iPhone SE? I'm waiting for that delivery right now. I wasn't planning on doing that video, but I got a lot of people ask me to do it, so I'm going to do a full review on it. All right, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Schmutty Green. Now let's take a look at some of these accessories. first up, we got the official MagSafe case. Now, the prices for all of these Apple cases, they're a little bit TGH, but you're getting top quality. Okay, let's see. Okay, now, one thing about Apple, they're not letting me use my unboxing knife. It is what it is. Okay, so this is a classic right here. Let's see, what's this? Okay, just filler. Now, you're going to need one of these. All right, this is the official MagSafe case. Woo! Woo! I'm keeping a buck. This one looks sick. All right, the green. This is my new favorite color right here. All right, let me calm down. Let me calm down. I don't want my Samsung Knights to see me getting too hyped over this Apple bullshit, but I do love it. I do love it. Let's check MagSafe. Okay, there's your MagSafe. Now, this is a must-have accessory. This is the little power pack. This is not a power bank. It's a battery extender. So when you buy this, don't look at it as a battery charger. Look at it as a battery extender. Because if you're buying this thinking that you're going to be charging up your phone from 0 to 100, don't do that. I do not do that. This is for when your phone is on 5%, 10%, and you just need some more juice. Slap this on, and you can rock out for the rest of the night. It's not going to charge your battery. It's going to extend it. Okay, so this is the clear case. Like I said, prices, TGH. I'll leave them in the description, though. Let's see. Next up, we got the silicone case. Okay, now this is all new colors. I'll leave a link in the description for all of my case videos. Okay. Anger level's increasing. There it is. Okay. Now, I was about to beast this open, but my anger management kicked in, and I calmed down. All right, here we go. Now, this is the silicone green. This is sick. This is so sick. Now, the green is a little light on the color. Nah, this is dope. This is dope. This is dope. Oh, this is dope. This is sick. Okay, this is sick. Let's see. This case does have a little bit of razority. Now, let's check the MagSafe charger. Now, we don't have to check wireless charge. If the MagSafe charger sticks, that's your wireless charge right there. All right, that's your wireless charger on deck. All right, so this is the silicone case. I'm loving it. All right, I'm loving it. And, of course, we got the big boy, the leather case. This is probably going to be my daily case. Let's see. Okay, now, do I get a chance to use the unboxing knife? Because I don't see any pull tab on this one. Oh, false alert. Okay, the leather case. Check this out. Let me just do the smell test and make sure this is real leather. This is not pleather. All right, this is real leather. Y'all remember back in the days, your moms get you that pleather jacket and tell you that it's leather. Look at the inside. You see that material move? This is real. Slap this one on. Okay. Whew, you heard that sound? The MagSafe sound? Whew, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yo, this is dope. All right, this is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. The leather case looks sick. Now, if you get the leather case and you want to be the supreme boss, you're going to have to get the leather wallet. Now, I actually took mine off my gold iPhone. I've been using this brown one, using my real credit cards in there. The leather wallet. This is mandatory for me. Okay, little pull tab on the back. Right. This is a mandatory item. Come on. Here we go. The leather wallet. Now look at the green in the green. Bro. Nah, chill. This is yeah, see, I'm mad because I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. You see in the back of this, when you want to slide your credit card out, you use that little insert. All right, you see you just gotta put your finger in it like that. So let me put one of my real credit cards in here. Okay. Just like that. So when you're ready to get your card out, use that finger on the bottom, just like that. Slaps on. Ooh, you hear the MagSafe sound? Boom. Oh, now, I know a lot of y'all going to be mad because, like I said, the Sierra Blue is dope. And when you whip this one out, everybody knows that you're not a peasant. Everybody knows this is the 13 Pro Max. But if you had a choice, let's keep it a buck. If you really had a choice, fellas, because I know a lot of ladies probably like that blue, and a lot of dudes too, why not? But fellas, come on. You telling me you wouldn't have got this shmoney green? Apple, man, stop doing this bullshit. Bring out all of the colors on day one. Okay, because you can't really go up in Apple like, okay, I want to trade in this blue one for the green. You're going to take a major loss. All right? But this green, all right, let me not even rant. This green, let's see how it looks just with the, okay, white is fine. Let's see if I do no case with the leather. Because this is how I normally like to rock out like this. Oh, no case with the leather. Like this. No, anyway, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Check out the colors for yourself. Now, I actually don't even have the graphite. This is this is a dummy phone. Dummy. That's why it's broken, right? It's not a real iPhone. It's just for doing case videos. Just a dummy phone. But this is the graphite color. Not really feeling it too much. These are my four color choices that I would get. In order, I would say the green, number 1. Number 2, gold. Number 3, I'm going with silver. The blue one is dope, but it really wasn't my favorite. I just wanted to be on non-peasant status. And of course, when I say peasant, y'all know I'm just kidding. When I say peasant, put respectfully after that. You're a peasant, respectfully. I'm just joking. Anyway, iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. If you get yours, call it shmoney green. Not money, shmoney. Shmoney is worth more than money. Okay? If you know, you know. Let me get a little wipe down. Do that one more time. Bang! The leather case. Samsung Knights, I know you mad right now. Samsung Knights, I know y'all mad right now, but like I said, on the low, most of y'all Samsung Knights is walking around like this with the Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Gangsta Alpha Mega Supreme, and you got this in your other pocket. Come on, let's keep it real. You're walking around with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and you got this in your other pocket. Okay, let's just keep it a buck. Everybody want to be down with the blue bubbles. You know, it is what it is. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Let me know if y'all like any of these cases. And again, I am doing the iPhone SE. I'm waiting for that delivery right now. If it comes today, I'll do it tomorrow. If it comes tonight, then I'll do it on Sunday. But I need some time to take some daytime photos and some nighttime photos, and we're going to get busy. And when I do that video, I'm not going to use the word peasant at all because I know. I'm not going to say peasant at all when I do the iPhone SE. I'm going to do it. I'm going to be serious. I'm going to go into it with an open mind, and I'm going to review it like a serious product. Now, when I start all the peasant stuff, we'll do that on my live stream. We'll have a little fun. I am going to start streaming again probably next week. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this shmoney green, but woo! I love it. I'm going to keep it a buck. I love it. I love it. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock to the beam up, me and Shoes. Alright, Shoes, let's get up out of here. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.